Hi, I'm Kevin Press with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. As we remove these functioning hood pins, you're going to find a nice 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8. It's backed up by a torque flight, 8-speed automatic transmission. Everything is channeled through a 3.09 to 1 rear end. That propels this vehicle down the track at 11.8 seconds at 124 miles an hour, 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. All this is wrapped up with 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque, making this one of the most powerful and fastest production cars ever made. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. The Black Ghost is augmented with nice racing style hood scoops. They are functional. They're going to feed the cool air box. You get upper and lower scoops. Large grille, allowing plenty of cool air to pass through that massive front mount intercooler. The hood, everything is held down by functional hood pins with a nice black base plate. This is going to keep that hood from flying up at the 150 plus miles an hour that this car is well capable of. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.